Hi everyone, welcome back to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to log in into the AOL account of yours. Now to do that, open the Google browser on your PC, and once you open that, click open a new tab. There on the search bar, you type in AOL.com and press enter. This will direct you to the official web page of AOL. Once you're on the official web page, you need to move your mouse cursor to the right side over here and click on login. With this, you will be directed to this page over here. So here to log in, you will need to provide your username, email, or the mobile number. You can also log in with the Google or Yahoo if you have linked your AOL account with these. If not, you will not be able to log in. So type in the username, email, or the mobile number of yours and then click on next. Now then you provide the password. Then click on next. This will get you signed in into your account right away. So this is how you can log in into the AOL account of yours. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you for watching till the very end.